at what I bought from China. Oh. Hey. It's unboxing time, guys. New arrival here from China. So let's make this a little bit fun, okay? When I say unboxing, you say new arrival. Unbox it, new arrival. Unbox it, new arrival. When I say unboxing, you say unbox it. Unbox it. When I say unboxing, you say new arrival. Unbox it, new arrival. Unbox it, new arrival. Oh my God. Now only me they sing. Now only me they respond. So guys, yeah, these goods just arrived from China. In case you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Ocheche Emmanuel Orifa, and welcome to my channel Oche's TV. So I teach on China importation, 1688 China importation, how you can sit down in the comfort of your home and import from China like this, and it will arrive your house without any problem, without any agent. Mark that word, without any agent. So if you want to go into a mini importation and you are interested in buying goods like this, now let me tell you what to do. You will need international passport, and people usually ask, what if I don't have international passport? Do not worry, I am here for you. So I give people access. People who don't have international passport, I give them access to use my personal account, the account I'm using to buy all these things like this. If this is the first video you are seeing in this channel, go to my importation playlist, go and watch videos of how to import and watch my other unboxing videos. So as I was saying, sorry for digressing. So if you want to start buying from China like this and receive your goods like this, now come to me, send me a DM on Instagram at Oches_Emmanuel_Orifa. I'm going to put it on the screen. Oh my God, see the way I'm sweating. So send me a DM on Instagram and I'll give you access to use my personal account for just a small money, 10,000 naira monthly subscription. You will not use agents. Those of you who are using agents, you know how much you pay agents every time you buy from China. So instead of using agents, come and pay for monthly subscription and buy as many times as you want in a month. You know, don't skip this video. Don't bother skipping this video. Just watch this video till the end if you want to, you know, see all these things that I've got inside here. Watch this video till the end. Okay, so right now let's get started. Man, I'm sweating too much. It's better I remove this wig. I beg. Can't come and kill myself. I never start unboxing and I sweat anyhow. Let me carry the razor blade. I beg. I'm okay like this, so maybe I should remove this one too, safe. Let me leave it. So guys, let's get started. So I think we should start with this long one. It's very long, see, very long. Let's start with this one so that you can see what's inside. It's a prop, guys. It's a photography prop. Look at what I bought from China. Oh. Hey, guys, look at what I bought from China. Look at what I bought from China. Oh, China. Ah man, let me tear this part. I know you guys used to see this in content creators video. See it on one corner like that. I have bought my own from China. See the way it came. Let me bring it closer. Let me bring it closer. See it oh. See it oh. See the bottom oh. Came fully packaged. This is for my content, for my to design my house. So I'm going to put it maybe in this corner, abi? Let's try it. Let me shoot this laptop that my husband bought for me. Let me remove the laptop first. Okay guys, let me show you. Okay, can you see that already? Let me oh my hey hey oh, this is nice. This is nice. This is nice. This is nice. You know how much they are selling this in Nigeria? I saw it online for 35,000. 35,000 naira. And I bought it for just how much? Ask me how much I bought it. I'm not going to tell you yet. Ask me how much I bought it in my DM or in comment section. So guys, let's continue with this one. Hey, China importation can sweet. It is sweet. All these products here, it's not everything that belongs to me. These ones are for my customers and some of them are for my sister-in-law. So I might not unbox everything sharp. Wow. Handbag. It's not mine, no. It's for customer. So I'll package it back. Beautiful. Two pieces. Wow. Wow, this is beautiful. What is a shirt? A shirt. Another shoe. Good quality, guys. This is the trouser. Beautiful dress. Two pieces. This one is for my daughter. check this out. What is this? Wow. This is a board, a writing board for children. A writing board for children. So let me place it so you can see. So this is it. Let me shift this. Guys, can you see it? I'll place it as you like. It's for my daughter. So it came with extra things. It came with color chalk. I don't know what this is. Maybe later I'll figure it out when I watch the video. So this is the duster. A, B, C. I hope you guys can see it. D. My daughter is going to be so excited when she sees it. She'll be so happy. Did you guys watch that my video when I covered my chair with this cloth? So other customers ordered it when they saw the video. Your chair covers. This one is charger, wireless charger. Wireless charger. Wireless charger. These ones are makeup glitters. Makeup glitters. Okay. Man, I'm sweating. This one is also blender. This one here is also blender. Blender, Silvercrest blender. Silvercrest blender. Silvercrest blender. It's 2 in 1. No? There's also blender that is inside here, so there's no need of opening the one. This is the second one. 2 Silvercrest blender. So guys, thanks for watching. If you are interested in going into mini importation business to import from China by yourself, send me a DM on Instagram at ochet_Emmanuel_Orifa. So guys, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to see more of my videos. Click on the subscription button right now And if you are interested in any other thing, you can join my membership, my YouTube membership, to get access to lots of product requests or content requests. If you want to request for a content that you want me to make for you, or to learn for mentorship or anything, join my membership by clicking on join. Look below, click on join and join my membership, and you enjoy premium content exclusively from this channel. Oh, I'm tired. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.